friends. Welcome to the House Assembly.
Hello.
Hi, friends.
So, friends, before we get started, let's get a few reminders on what a learner is. Remember, a good learner slants. S, we sit up straight. L, we listen. A, ask and answer questions. N, nod your head yes or no. And T, we track your speaker. Also be reminded of your champ's behavior. C, your conversation level is at a level 0. H, if you need help, raise your hands. A, activity is that we're listening. M, movement is that we're sitting on our pockets. P, participation, you applaud when necessary. And when you do all of these things, you show that you are a successful audience member. Remember, we're all 5 houses that make up one school. And now for our Hearn Elementary pledge. I come to school to learn and lead. Hearn Elementary is where you soar. Safe, on task, act responsibly, respect self and others. It's a great day to soar.
Okay, friends, it's roll call time. All right, our first house is the Zidania house. So if you're in the Zidania's house, I want you to stand up, say your chant loud and proud, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job, Miss Jenkins' class. Let's see how many points Zidania is going to get this week. Wow. Woo! 125 points. Great job, Zidania. Next, we have the Zuzong house. If you're in the Zuzong house, I want you to stand up and represent. 1, 2, 3.
Are you ready? Ready. Yeah, we celebrate. Yeah, we dominate. We don't give up, y'all underestimate. Zuzong house is on fire. Got more hype than y'all can decide. Apples, strawberries, cherries, tomatoes, ketchup, fire truck, lemons, tomatoes. All these things we said are red.
All right, Zuzong, let's see how many house points you're going to earn for this week. Give it a spin, Miss Hinchin. 75 points. Great job. Next, we have the Fuma house. If you're in the Fuma house, stand up and represent. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We are Fuma, we are strong. Let's not scream and shout our song. Fuma is bright and Fuma is fast. We're leading others to the test. We're so good we will not rest. We're putting others to the test.
Great job, Fuma. Let's see how many house points you're going to get for this week. Come on, we want some big numbers, big numbers. Oh, 125 points. Great job, Fuma. Our next house is the Matsuwila house. So if you're in the Matsuwila's house, stand up and represent. 1, 2, 3. All right, Matsuwila house. Let's see how many points you're going to get this week. Come on, Hinchin, give it a spin. We want big numbers, big numbers. Okay, 75 points. I like it. I like it. Okay, last but not least, we have the Shazar house. So if you're in the yellow house, stand up and represent. 1, 2, 3.
Yellow, yellow like the sun. We're so bright, we're number one. Yellow, yellow, green and mellow. Make your chin look like jello. Yellow, yellow like the sun. We're so bright, come get your sun.
All right, Shazar, let's see how many house points you're going to get for the week. Come on, we want big numbers, big numbers. 25 points. All right, Shazar.
And it was yellow too.
Yes, it
All
was.
right. Let's see who's in the lead. Right now, Shazar is in the lead with 205 points. But you know what? It doesn't take much to catch up. So let's find out who our students of the week were this week. And let's find out who might be able to win next week. Miss Washington, yeah, that was Miss Jenkins' class doing all those chants, wasn't it?
It was. And they did a fabulous job. Shout out to Miss Jenkins' class. You guys were great.
You know, it'd be really fun if some other classes wanted to do some recordings of chants too. So if you want to do that, just make sure you email Miss Stewart, Miss Hinchin, or Miss Washington.
That would be awesome.
All right, let's see who our students of the week are. In pre-K, representing Fuma House is Cornelia Smith. In kindergarten, representing the Shazar House is Lakota. In first grade, representing Masuwila is Aylin. In second grade, representing Shazar is Ketsi. In third grade, representing Masuwila is Gracie. Fourth grade, representing Zidania is Valeria. Fifth grade, representing Shazar is Shanterica. And sixth grade, representing Masuwila is Caden. Great job, students of the week.
Now, guys, don't forget, if you got student of the week, stop by the front office to pick up your special prize. And if you didn't receive it last week or the week before, come by the office and get your special prize. You have to come and ask for your prize, okay, friends? Now it is game time. Are we ready? Get
We're ready.
paper. Get ready to write. You're going to see one picture, one image, but there's two pictures in one. So you have to figure out what the two pictures are in the one picture, the one image that you see. All right, Miss Hinchin, Miss Stewart, are y'all ready?
Ready.
I'm ready.
You got 10 seconds. And when it gets down to one, we're gonna guess. All right, this is our first picture. Ooh,
That's interesting.
it is interesting. There's two pictures in one.
Peacock and a girl.
Peacock.
Oh, Miss Stewart, great job.
Oh, Stewart was on it. She's on it. She came to play. All right. Oh. Okay.
I see a face and flowers.
Face and flowers.
That's
You got
it.
it, Miss Hinchin. Okay, next picture. This is not really two pictures, but it's like a color situation.
Yeah, it's that mind game they were playing a little while ago. I see white and gold.
I only see white and gold, but I don't see black and blue.
Yeah, I don't
That's
either.
interesting.
Oh, well, I see
I think
I
it's
see
a
two
different angle
animals,
you
I
look
think.
at. Yeah.
Is it a dog and a duck?
A dog and a duck. Yeah, a
Oh,
bird.
the bird.
Bird. I see a dog. I see the bird. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, this is our last one, friends. Ooh, what do you see?
see a horse
A horse? I see a horse.
and a woman.
Hmm.
So interesting. That was really fun. I wonder how many of our friends could figure all these out in less than 10 seconds and
Hmm.
show that they have a creative mind.
Right. It's hard though. It's
It is
real.
hard.
I got stumped on a couple of them.
This is fun. Oops. All right, friends. We had a great house assembly. Keep up doing all your work. Keep coming to school. Keep logging in. We're very proud of you.
See you next week. Oh, next week is spring break. See you later on this week.
That's right. That's right. Next week is spring break. We'll see you
Since
guys
it's spring
later.
break, friends, make sure you get all your missing assignments completed before the end of spring break. So this is your week to work extra hard to get all your assignments in and get your grades up, friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We'll see you after spring break. Bye-bye.